Good job, Brody. Eat your broccoli. Can dogs have broccoli? So for lunch, I'm going to have rice. Ooh, let me put some broccoli on. Rice, broccoli, and beans, and something else. Okay, listen, I'm watching Claire, but listen, there's nothing more Dr. Ditches I love. So Sweater Weather. Sweater Weather. It's just amazing. It is just the best scent to have. But for me, Sweater Weather is my introduction to fall. It's July. I know. We're still summer started on the 21st, but I am preparing my mind, body, and soul for fall and my scents. So Sweater Weather. I love it. Sweater Weather. Moving closed. I just worked out. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys what I've learned these 3 days of cooking food for myself. I cook food for myself often. However, I don't really cook. Like last week, I had burgers and I had very little greens, and it just, my skin and my body just kind of blew up. I felt puffy. I felt fat. Not do it. I didn't want to be like, for the next 90 days, I'm going to do this. Even for the next 30 days, I'm going to do that. Because once it gets past 3 days, I've lost interest. I've totally forgotten what I'm doing. So the reason why I said for the next 3 days I was going to do this is because it was easier for me to, hold on, I'm watching soccer. Oh, that would have been so good. Why I said I was gonna do this for 3 days and then see how I'm doing and then continue doing it for 3 more days is because it's not that I get unmotivated. I completely forget that I'm doing things and I just immediately revert back to whatever I'm doing. I've been actively stretching and I never realized just how tight my hips are. And yeah, I have tight hips. Hello from the other. Anyways, I wanted to give you an update on the Tarte cherry juice. So although this is delicious, it's not like taking a sedative. I don't know who told me that, but this didn't help me sleep. It's delicious though, but it didn't help me sleep. So I bought some chai and I'm going to make some chai and reuse this and have chai. supposed to be chicken, but I didn't like the way my chicken turned out, so I used meatballs. I'm gonna eat this. This has been 3 days of clean eating. It's gonna be more. I'm just doing it in 3-day increments because whatever. I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope I continue this. Let's see if I can do this again. Okay. No, I will be doing this again. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you learned something, anything, hit subscribe. Come back, let's hang out. Okay, bye guys.